At a press conference held at the Congress Bhavan, Shillong on the 16th of June 2022, the executive committee members of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress had spoken on the various problems and challenges faced by the people of Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters, the president of the Mpycc, Adrian L. Khan, while speaking about price hike of essential commodities, said that this is negatively impacting the people of the state, wherein most of them are suffering in most ways than one. The Mpycc president, who also spoke on the apathy of the NPP-led MDA government to the rightful demands of the workers of the MCCL, the ASHA workers, the casual workers of the North Eastern Hill University and workers under the midday meal scheme of the government, reiterated the fact that all of these problems are worrisome.
And according to the Vice President of the Mpycc, Henry Karuti, he has spoken about the price rise and how it has affected the people who are earning daily wages. Because as we can see that wages are stagnant currently. It is not increasing. Whereas when you think about gas prices, they're increasing. The price of a cylinder currently is hovering between 1,100 and 1,200. Even if you look at the price of cooking oil, before it was at 70 and now it's ranging close to 200. Even medicines and healthcare. We can see that everything is on the rise, and we can see that it's affecting the public greatly, whereas the government is not doing anything to help the public. It seems that they're not bothered about them. They're only concerned about making money, getting richer, whereas the poor suffer more and more.
On the construction of the Patharkma Government College in Ribhoi district, the president of the Mpycc said that there has actually been no progress at all as far as infrastructure and basic amenities are concerned.
We can see that the sanction amount comes to around 11 crores, but what we can see is that currently what has happened in the building is we can see cracks everywhere. And also pertaining to the work, we feel that 11 crores is a high amount to be sanctioned. And currently we only see that the building is there. We have not seen any road leading up to the college. The path going there as well is a dirt path. And even no electricity has been implemented in the school. No water supply has been done. So therefore we just wonder what is happening, whether the sanctioned amount 11 crores has fully been utilized or whether there's something else on the other end. And even he has mentioned about government schools, our Honorable Minister. And we feel that when you mention government schools, we shouldn't see them as a last option, but rather we should see them as an option, as another alternative. Because if you look at other places, when you compare other countries, they have universities which are local, but they are one of the best performing universities in that country. And we feel that we shouldn't take government schools as something that is a last measure or a last resort. In fact, I feel that whatever we should do, we should boost the government infrastructure, and we should do many other things to ensure that whatever is government related shouldn't be seen or treated as second hand.
The Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Vice President Banphiralang Basayaumait, who had spoken on the MDA government as being part of the BJP setup, said that its role is to address the hardships of the people of Meghalaya, but this instead is seen lacking in the government of the day.
Government of the day here in Meghalaya, right? They are part of the BJP setup, and they have a very friendly government in the center. The role of the government here in the state is to highlight the plight of the people, of our people. And having a friendly government in the center means that they have to remove all the hardships that our people are facing right now. And when you talk about what the state government can do, as you've seen, we are facing very tough times in Shillong, in Meghalaya right now. Natural calamities everywhere, and the withdrawal of the contractor from implementing the four-lane road, right from Mpycc to maybe Taukip, Norsla. It has created and it has brought about a very difficult scenario for everyone concerned. What are they doing right now? There are floods everywhere. Shillong being a hilly terrain, still we are suffering from floods. And then the road leading to Milliam side from Panyun onwards, we can see the roads caving in. We are just waiting for a disaster to happen. Rainwater plus potholes is a perfect recipe for disaster. And it's a perfect time for our state government, the NPP and its allies to start talking to its friendly neighbor, the BJP, its best friend, to bring about an immediate response to all the hardships faced by people, including the price rise, including the fall or the collapse of infrastructure here in Meghalaya. And till date, we haven't heard any of its legislator speaking about the hardships of our people, the students who are facing the floods. A teacher was washed away recently in Peninsula, and we haven't heard a soul in the government who will speak about the immediate hardships of our people.